Manta is a very new project and it's already on place 102 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of nearly $600 million. And in this video I will give you a summary of Manta and potential price targets for the next bull run in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. So as I said, Manta is a very new coin. It just got released 3 days ago on CoinMarketCap. We have a big market cap right now, and we already got some big exchange listings like on BitGet, Maxi, Bybit, BingX, and we already got the Binance listing. So for new projects, it's very important that we get some big exchange listings. This increases the chance a lot that this project will perform in the near future. So this is a very bullish sign. If we have a look at the website of Manta, you can see it's a zero-knowledge application platform with a modular blockchain on Ethereum. The core features are low fees and high scalability. It's developer-friendly, we got zero-knowledge use cases, and we have a big growing ecosystem. If we have a look at the ecosystem, you can see that we have many partners and big applications right here. It's a whole website just with partners and applications, which is crazy. And if we have a look at the token allocation, you can see that we have many different parts, which is a really good sign. And the token release schedule shows that most of the coins are just releasing in the next years in 2025, 6, 7 and so on. So I think Manta looks really promising for the future. And if we have a look at the market cap with 600 million again, we have a lot of potential to the upside. If Manta would just come into the top 20 right now, we would have a market cap of $4.7 billion. And from Manta's market cap right now, this would be a 7 or 8x to the prices right now from the market cap wise. And if the bull run is starting and peaking, the chance that we can see even higher prices is there. So I could imagine if the bull run peaks that we could see prices around $60. From the prices right now to $60, we would have a potential of 2,500%. This would be an amazing deal for Manta. Of course, guys, this is just a price prediction from the prices right now for the next bull run. Of course, it really depends how much money flows into the whole crypto market and how much money will flow into Manta. But the project is looking really promising for me. But if the total crypto market cap keeps increasing and building a trend to the upside, then the chances are that we could reach the all-time high. And if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we also explode over our last all-time high at the market cap is very high. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance is high that we could see even higher prices for the bull run. So for the future, I think Manta has a great potential. But of course, we have to see how the next weeks and months are going for Manta. And right now we are seeing the slightly bullish trend, and if we could continue this bullish trend to the upside, then the chance is high that we could reach very high prices for the next bull run. So all in all, guys, I think Manta is a very interesting project. We are already on place 102 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $600 million, and we got already some bigger exchange listings like Binance, which is very promising for the future. But guys, don't invest your whole money into one crypto coin. This is very new. For the crypto market, it's very important that you have a strict risk management and that you split your money into different projects. Just keep this in mind, guys. And if you want to see my near protocol price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a full playlist with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.